English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? And boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills.
Speak English.
Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Odds and ends. Hi, Mark. Where are you going?
I'm going to the market to buy some odds and ends.
Odds and ends? Like what?
Just small things, fruit, bread, and some paper towels.
Oh, I also need a few small items for my kitchen.
Then let's go together.
I like shopping for little things. It's quick and easy.
Yes, but sometimes I forget something important.
That happens to me too.
I usually check every corner of the house first.
Good idea. I'll do that next time.
After we finish buying these small items, we can walk home.
Sounds good. I don't want to buy anything big today.
Same here, just odds and ends, nothing more. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
Odds and ends. Small things that are not very important and are often bought together. Example: I need to buy some odds and ends from the shop.
But, well, we forgot a few odds and ends, you know.
Shopping, odds and ends.
Just odds and ends, a few details.
Just odds and ends, really.
Packing, last-minute odds and ends.
Picked up some odds and ends.
Odds and ends.
Paper towels. Soft paper used to clean hands, tables, or spills. Example: please use paper towels to clean the table.
Paper towels.
Great. No paper towels.
Hand me some paper towel.
I'll get paper towel.
Those paper towels?
The paper ones?
Paper towel, ma'am.
Use the paper towels.
Item: one thing or object. Example: this item is cheap and useful.
The item.
This is a big Halloween item.
Just some items.
Next item.
Rare collector items.
Second item.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Hi, Mark. Where are you going?
Did Lily ask Mark where he was coming from? No, she didn't ask Mark where he was coming from. What did Lily ask Mark? She asks him where he was going. I'm going to the market to buy some odds and ends. Where was Mark going? To the market. He was going to the market. Did Mark go to the market to buy big things? No, he didn't. He didn't go to buy big things. What did Mark want to buy at the market? Odds and ends. He wanted to buy odds and ends.
Odds and ends? Like what?
Just small things, fruit, bread, and some paper towels. Did Lily understand odds and ends at first? No, she didn't. She didn't understand it at first. What small things did Mark say? He said fruit, bread, and paper towels.
Oh, I also need a few small items for my kitchen.
Did Lily need some small items too? Yes, she did. She needed some small items too. Where did Lily need the items? For her kitchen. She needed them for her kitchen. Then let's go together. Did Mark ask Lily to go together? Yes, he did. He asked her to go together.
I like shopping for little things. It's quick and easy.
Did Lily like shopping for little things? Yes, she did. She liked shopping for little things. Why did Lily like shopping for little things? She liked it because it is quick and easy. Yes, but sometimes I forget something important. Did Mark say he never forgets important things? No, he didn't say he never forgets important things. Did Mark say he sometimes forgets things? Yes, he did. He said he sometimes forgets things.
That happens to me too.
I usually check every corner of the house first. What does Mark check before shopping? Every corner of the house. He checks every corner of the house.
Good idea. I'll do that next time.
After we finish buying these small items, we can walk home.
Sounds good. I don't want to buy anything big today.
Same here, just odds and ends, nothing more. Did they want to buy anything big that day? No, they didn't. They didn't want to buy anything big.
Do you want to improve your English speaking skills even more? Check out our new shadowing course. It's full of interactive MP3 and PDF lessons to help you speak with confidence. Download the free lesson today. The link is below.
Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hi, Mark. Where are you going? Odds and ends? Like what? Oh, I also need a few small items for my kitchen. I like shopping for little things. It's quick and easy. That happens to me too. Good idea. I'll do that next time. Sounds good. I don't want to buy anything big today.
I'm going to the market to buy some odds and ends. Just small things, fruit, bread, and some paper towels. Then let's go together. Yes, but sometimes I forget something important. I usually check every corner of the house first. After we finish buying these small items, we can walk home. Same here, just odds and ends, nothing more. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.